Welcome. I will be taking you through one of the features of IBM Cognos being an accountable software. So, one of the recent videos I made, I ended the video showing that my session was interrupted. So, whenever IBM Cognos has information such as an interruption or a maintenance, what IBM Cognos does is that it takes you to a log where it shows you everything that has happened recently. It tells you it's how you have had interruptions, and it's more like giving you even the option to also download why those interruptions happen. So I'll take you to that window. It comes somewhere here as a message and tells you maintenance. This is where the message comes. Tells you there's a maintenance was carried out. And like so, if you click on more info, it brings you right here. So I had mine a minute ago. So it shows me, so it tells you these are the status labels. We have the available, unavailable, maintenance, in progress, partially unavailable, unknown, or disabled. So I had set mine to be enabled, so that's why it's not disabled. So I have recent items on IBM Cognos. Here you can see on the 20th of October there was an announcement. On the 3rd of November there was another announcement. On the 18th of November there's an incident. You can also see here on the 18th of November there's another incident. It said a possible service disruption. So while I was using it earlier, I had another disruption, and Cognos tells me there was an on-demand monthly maintenance. So IBM is a cloud product and they're being accountable. So they're telling you what is going on. And it's more like a log. So in case you're working for an employer and the employer's asking what happened, why we're on your terminal and you had a challenge, you can come here to download the log of the notifications. So you can see download warning. You will now download all of the notifications presented in this data table. It is important to understand that filters you selected will be taken into consideration. So if you wish to download the totality of the notifications, please clear the filter before proceeding. So let us clear the filter. So I actually only have 5, so I didn't have any filters enabled, so I can download it. So you can also see the calendar view. So you can go pick the month. So let's say we pick November, we can see. October, we can see. By week, you can see it. You can go back. So these are the times. So let's go to the most recent. Now we can see the time here, which is the today's date is 30th a.m. So you can see 2 a.m. It happened 2 a.m. Let's see the day view. So you can have the month view, the week view, or the day view. So Cognos is just being transparent with notifications, it alerts, and as I said, you can have the history. So for the history for the maintenance, which I had a lot, I can download the history too of maintenance that's happened. So if I have an employer who says what happened on the 3rd of November at 10 p.m., we notice a glitch, you can tell them there was a maintenance from the team at Cognos. So you can see. So they had scheduled the maintenance for the 4th of November, but it was published on the 3rd of November. So it's published a day ahead. So when the maintenance was complete, they made notification that they've completed it. So if you notice, I will show you also this when you are creating an account on Cognos, which I will do in 2026 when I create a new account, because Cognos gives a 30-day trial. This is my second account. You would ask to pick which server is closest to you. So I picked Europe. So you will see at the point here, you see this EU2 because I picked Europe. So that is why we have the EU2 among the regions listed here. So this is just more telling us about what Cognos does about being transparent and being accountable as a cloud platform and a cloud product. You have to be able to be transparent and accountable to your users one way or the other. When you have maintenance or you have incidents or announcements. Thank you. See you in the next video.